Did you know the perfect toast or crispy pizza could completely change your mornings? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 6 best toaster ovens of 2025 that will upgrade your kitchen game. Stick around, and check the links in the description to grab yours. At number 6 is Breville BOV860BSS. The Breville BOV860BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer isn't just another countertop appliance, it's a culinary powerhouse that redefines convenience and versatility in the kitchen. With 11 cooking functions, including air fry, bake, broil, and slow cook, it offers unparalleled flexibility for various cooking needs. The Element IQ system intelligently directs heat where and when it's needed, ensuring precise and even cooking every time. Its super convection technology reduces cooking time by up to 30%, delivering crispy, golden results without the need for excessive oil. The spacious interior accommodates up to 6 slices of toast or a 13-inch pizza, making it ideal for families or entertaining guests. While it comes with a higher price tag, the performance and durability justify the investment for those seeking a reliable and efficient kitchen companion. In comparison to other top toaster ovens of 2025, the Breville BOV860BSS stands out for its advanced features and consistent results. If you're looking to elevate your cooking experience, this model is a smart choice. At number 5 is Instant Pot Omni. Looking for a toaster oven that does more than just toast? The Instant Pot Omni 18-liter is a powerhouse packed into a sleek, space-saving design. Priced at $99.99, it offers 7 cooking functions: air fry, bake, broil, roast, toast, warm, and convection bake, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Its even crisp technology ensures your food comes out perfectly crispy with up to 95% less oil than traditional frying. With a spacious interior that fits 6 slices of bread or a 12-inch pizza, it's ideal for families or meal prepping. The adjustable temperature range from 170° Fahrenheit to 450° Fahrenheit gives you precise control over your cooking. Plus, cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe enamel trays and air-frying baskets. If you're seeking a reliable, multifunctional toaster oven without breaking the bank, the Instant Pot Omni 18-liter is a smart choice. At number 4 is TOSHIBA 6-Slice Convection. Looking for a toaster oven that combines versatility, power, and style? The TOSHIBA 6-Slice Convection Toaster Oven, priced at $134.99, offers 10 cooking functions, including toast, bake, broil, pizza, cookies, defrost, reheat, rotisserie, keep warm, and convection. Its 1500-watt power ensures fast and even cooking, while the convection fan circulates heat for consistent results. The spacious interior can fit up to 6 slices of bread or a 12-inch pizza, making it ideal for families. The sleek stainless steel design adds a modern touch to any kitchen. With a 1-year warranty and lifetime customer support, TOSHIBA stands behind its product. If you're seeking a reliable and multifunctional toaster oven without breaking the bank, the TOSHIBA 6-Slice Convection Toaster Oven is a smart choice. On number 3 is Panasonic FlashXpress. Looking for a toaster oven that delivers speed without compromising on quality? The Panasonic FlashXpress NBG110P might just be your answer. This compact 1300-watt oven utilizes double infrared heating, quartz and ceramic elements positioned at the front and back, to cook food evenly and quickly, eliminating the need for preheating. With 6 preset cooking functions, including toast, bake, and reheat, it simplifies meal preparation with just a touch of a button. Its small footprint makes it ideal for tight spaces, yet it can accommodate up to 4 slices of bread or a 9-inch pizza. The digital timer and temperature settings ranging from 250° Fahrenheit to 500° Fahrenheit offer precise control, while the removable crumb tray ensures easy cleanup. However, its limited capacity may not suit larger families or those needing to cook larger meals. If you're seeking At number 2 is Chefman 7-in-1. Looking for a compact yet powerful kitchen companion? The Chefman 7-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is here to revolutionize your cooking experience. Priced at $99.99, this 20-quart oven offers 7 versatile functions: air fry, bake, broil, convection bake, convection broil, toast, and warm. Its spacious interior can accommodate 4 slices of toast, a 10-inch pizza, or a whole 5-pound chicken, making it perfect for families. The temperature range from 200° Fahrenheit to 450° Fahrenheit ensures precise cooking for various dishes. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate the air fryer's ability to use 98% less oil, delivering crispy results without the guilt. Cleaning is a breeze with dishwasher-safe accessories and a removable crumb tray. If you're seeking a multifunctional, space-saving appliance that doesn't compromise on performance, the Chefman 7-in-1 is a smart choice. Now moving to the last one is KitchenAid Dual Convection. Imagine a countertop oven that combines the power of a full-size oven with the convenience of a compact design. The KitchenAid Dual Convection countertop oven does just that, offering 12 preset cooking functions including air fry, bake, broil, and even dough proofing. Its even heat convection technology ensures consistent cooking results, while the built-in temperature probe takes the guesswork out of roasting meats. With a spacious interior that fits up to 2 whole chickens or a 9 by 13-inch baking pan, it's perfect for family meals. The sleek black matte finish adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Priced at $399.95, it's an investment in quality and versatility. If you're looking for a high-performance toaster oven that delivers professional-level results, the KitchenAid Dual Convection countertop oven is a top contender in the best toaster ovens of 2025. The KitchenAid Dual Convection toaster oven stands out as the top pick among the 2025 models. Its even heat technology ensures consistent cooking, while the large capacity accommodates up to 2 whole chickens. The built-in temperature probe offers precise control, and the 12 preset functions make cooking effortless. With its sleek design and efficient performance, it's a smart investment for those seeking versatility and reliability in their kitchen appliances. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best toaster oven 2025. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.